Guten Tag. Xin chào. Konnichiwa. Ciao. I know we already did ciao. But because we're making pizza today, I thought, why not greet you guys from... Yes, guys, today we will be making homemade pizza from scratch. Everything, the dough, everything, okay? But before that, something very important. Oh, that is snug as a rug in a bug. What? Wait, no. What? That's snug as a bug in a rug. There we go.
Wow.
Welcome everybody to the first ever episode of Cooking with Kenshi. I found my bandana. I'm so happy I found it. All we need now is our apron. Let's go. Okay. Now that we are ready and prepared in uniform, we can now make homemade pizza. First things first, we need to get our ingredients. Yeast, flour, water, and salt. With these 4 elements, we can combine them to make pizza dough. Okay, so you're gonna get a bowl. You take 3/4 of a cup of water and you pour it into your bowl. Okay, warm water, by the way. Warm. It's not warm, it's cold. 1. Oh, it messed.
Bruh.
I need a towel. This is what I get. This is what I get for trying to do cool transitions. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now that we have our water in a bowl, we take 7 grams of our yeast. Okay, I'm just gonna pour until I feel like it's right. Okay, I think that's enough. I'm gonna take this now. Maybe a little more. Get your sugar. I'm gonna put like a pinch of sugar. Not a pinch of salt, a pinch of sugar. A little bit. Okay, enough. We don't want to have sweet pizza, okay? That's disgusting. No sweet pizza in this household. Now you mix it. Do you guys want to see me mix it? You cannot even see the liquid. Okay, there's no point. Just stay there, okay? Stay there. You know, there's so many lights on yet you can't see me, which is quite annoying. I need to invest in some lights. Mix it, mix it, mix it, mix it. If you don't mix it, your pizza's gonna come out lumpy. Lumpy pizza. Do you want lumpy pizza? No, you don't want lumpy pizza. I think it's done. Yes, it's a smooth liquid. Nice. Okay, we have a nice little bubbly bowl of this. See? Can I show you guys? Come with me. Come to me. Don't be shy. We are a family. Okay? Don't be shy, mate. Do you see the bubbles?
Yeah.
That is what your batter is supposed to look like so far. Follow what I do and you will be fine, okay? Go back where you belong. See? There you go. Wait. There you go. Now, we have to leave it for 5 to 7 minutes aside because it has to foam, okay? That's how we know the yeast has activated. If this yeast doesn't activate, I'm gonna be very angry. Because there's so much flies and pests around this kitchen for some reason, we're gonna cover our bowl. We're gonna cover it, okay? Just so it sits, okay? I will see you guys in 7 minutes. Okay, it's been 7 minutes and I think it needs a little bit more time, so...
Bruh.
10 minutes. Look. Do you see the mini explosions going on in the bowl? Do you see the mini explosions going on in the bowl? I'm not sure if it's foaming on the top yet, but it looks foamy to me. What do you guys think, huh? What do you guys think? I want to know what you guys think. Do you think that is foamy enough? I think it's foamy enough. I think it's been sitting for way too long. So go back where you belong and sit and watch as I make pizza for you guys. Now, you must make sure that your bowl with yeast is foamy on the top. If it's not foamy, your dough is not gonna rise. Your pizza is gonna be flat. Okay? So make sure on the top layer of your bowl it is foamy. That means that the yeast has activated. Without further ado, let's add our flour, okay? Now we add our flour. Please sift my flour. Okay? I like to sift it. Now we can add our flour of 240 grams, okay people? 240 grams. And one more. Okay, now we have 240 grams of flour, which we will now sift into our bowl of yeast, sugar and water. Some of y'all may be asking, why do I sift my flour? Well, as I explained in the previous video, well, not previous video, but in my latest baking with basil video, you would know that if you don't sift your flour, it'll come out lumpy. Okay, so if you want a lumpy pizza, then don't sift your flour, mate. You don't have to use a spoon, you can just tap it like this. Tap it very lightly. It's like when you're adding powdered sugar to a pastry. 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt, okay? Don't put 3/4 of a cup. Perfect. Okay, dump it in there. And then we're gonna take a little bit more sugar because we don't want our dough to be bland, okay? We want a nice sweet dough, but not too sweet, just perfect. You know, not too bland, but not too extra, okay? Last but not least, the main ingredient. Olive oil.
Nice.
I'm not gonna use a lot because this stuff is expensive, okay? We're gonna put just a dab. Just a dab. Yep, that should be enough. Wait, a little bit, dab. Yep, there we go. There we go. Perfect. Now for my favorite part. It's time to mix this bad boy. Oh, it's foamy. Oh, it's foamy. That is lovely to see. That means our yeast has activated. I would like to use my hands. I would love to use my hands, actually. I'm getting a pump in my forearm. Taste test. Oh. How do you know when your pizza dough has been mixed enough and when it's ready to be kneaded? I'll tell you guys. My hands are clean, by the way, okay? Don't feel gross or disgusted by this, but if it does not stick, as it sticks to my finger, that means it's not ready. Once it doesn't stick to my finger, it will be ready. So give me another few minutes, okay? And if it's still a bit sticky, you can add flour. A teaspoon or tablespoon of flour will do you some justice. I'm just gonna add a little bit more flour. Oops, I missed, but it's fine. Don't clean up the flour you messed up around your table. This time, we don't have to keep our station clean because we're gonna put the dough on the table, okay? And the table is also clean, so everything is hygienic, guys. Don't worry, I'm professional. Relax and hit that like button. Wow, this dough looks good. It's so soft. I want to put it in my mouth. It feels like a marshmallow. Don't feel afraid to get messy, okay? You don't have to be Ronaldo all the time. Yeah, get it? I'm gonna use my hands to conquer this. As I said before, do not feel afraid to get messy. Don't add too much flour either, it's going to become dry. You don't want dry pizza, okay? You need a little bit of moisture. Good. I was trained by a woman. I should know how to cook. Ah! No! How much flour do you need, bro? Oh my god. Help me, somebody! Help! It doesn't want to let go. This is a one-sided relationship, bro. You love me, but I don't love you. Why aren't you stiff? If only you were stiff and not loose, I would have loved you. My invention is working. Oh, yes. Yes, it's working. Need the dough, cause I need the dough. Need the dough, cause I need the dough. Yes, yes, yes. Now we have a lovely ball of pizza dough, okay? E Patrigiano, o mia cors che ci pettare, pizziano, ti piripiati per le acchiacco, e si pettai, ciao. Yes, that is what I'm talking about, Luigi. And then we just flour our hands a little bit. And then you grab the dough. You grab the dough. And then you put it on the... Oh, yes. That's a nice boy right there. And then you knead your dough. Just knead it. Oh, no! A piece now! Don't worry, guys. It's safe. Didn't go too far. Just make sure everything is compact. Okay? Yeah, 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 yeah. Ow! This is not a croissant, people. This is my pizza pie. My pizza pie. My pizza pie. My pizza pie. You take your bowl of dough and turn it into a ball, and then right in there, you know what I'm gonna do, right? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cover it up and let it sit. For how long, I have no idea, okay? Push it off to the side. Time for the reveal. It has doubled in size. Now, we are gonna make our pizza base. Yeah. We're not gonna put a lot this time because we don't want to eat any chunks of flour when we're eating the pizza. Okay, kabish? Bruh. Are you gonna come out or it just needs a little help, guys? It's shy. Okay, give me a second. Okay, there we go. Nice. It has relaxed and now we can shape it into our pizza base. Ta-da! A rolling pin. You know what I'm gonna really try? I want to spin it with my hands, but it might go horribly wrong. So let's first shape it. Okay, you ready, guys? No, that did not work. Nope, that did not work. Helicopter, helicopter. Nope. No. We are now making the crust. Oh wait, how am I gonna get it off? Oh no. Okay, wait. Wait, let's try and make this into the shape of a heart. Lift you off. Yes. Ice cream. In the room. Okay. I made a bracelet for you. Thank you. It's not a perfect heart, but it's adorable. Come, I'll show you guys. Look at my adorable heart pizza that I made for you guys. That's so cute. Oh no no no. Oh no no no. Pizza sauce time. Tomato paste. Black pepper. Salt. A little bit of water. Olive oil. Beautiful pasta sauce. Let me taste it. you go. It's too salty and then it's too sweet. I'm trying to perfect it. Okay, yeah, that will do. That will do. Take your pizza sauce. This is a token of my affection for you guys. Grater. Cheese grate. Oh, whoa. Why is it so crumbly? So why is it just... I don't even need a grater. I'm literally crumbling this with my fingers. Now I like my pizza very cheesy, okay? So that's what we're gonna do. Some cheese. Some cheese.
Wow!
You guys gotta tell me I missed my...
Nice.
The oven is ready for our pizza of love to go inside. In you go. Now we wait and observe our pizza. I made a pizza, I made a pizza, I can't wait to eat it. I made a pizza, I made a pizza, I can't wait to eat it. Presuming that is the sound of victory, let me check. Ooh, okay. I want it to be crispier though. Give it 5 more minutes, please. Thank you. Woohoo! It looks like our pizza is done. It smells marvelous in there. Okay, wait, let me get mittens.
Wow!
God, this beautiful boy. He's bringing a tear to my eye. Ha ha ha. In a pizza. And right through the middle. Oh, wait, you guys have to see this. Come with me. Right through the middle.
Bruh.
Oh. Oh boy. Are you guys ready? It's very soft. I wish it were crunchy. I'd give it a 7 out of 10 because it's a bit bland. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.